Welcome to Phonics Tongue Twister in a Minute, where we twist our tongues and sharpen our sounds. Get ready for a fun, fast, and fantastic way to improve your pronunciation. Let's dive in and see if you can keep it up. Today we are gonna talk about these sounds: t sound and d sound. We can use this one to make like this. T, 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 t. This is for t sound. When we wanna make the sound, we can put our fingers like this. D, d, d sound. In the beginning, we have tiger, tiger, tiger. We have dancer, dancer. In the middle, we have butter, 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 ladder, ladder. In the end, we have biscuit, 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 pyramid, pyramid. Now it's time for our tongue twister. Let's start slow and speed up as we go. Fred fed Ted bread, and Ted fed Fred bread. Fred fed Ted bread, and Ted fed Fred bread. Let's try it faster. Fred fed Ted bread, and Ted fed Fred bread. Three times. Fred fed Ted bread, and Ted fed Fred bread. Fred fed Ted bread, and Ted fed Fred bread. Fred fed Ted bread, and Ted fed Fred bread. Keep going. Now challenge yourself. Don't trouble until trouble troubles you. Don't trouble until trouble troubles you. Faster. Don't trouble until trouble troubles you. Don't trouble until trouble troubles you. Don't trouble until trouble troubles you. Now it's your turn. I'm all ears. Keep practicing. Bye.